In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install PostgreSQL on Mac using Homebrew. So let's get started. Now, first of all, we have to check if we have Homebrew installed on our Mac. Well, you can just go ahead and use this command brew -- version. If you see something like this or any other version, then that means that it is installed on your Mac. If not, then you have to use this command, which I'll paste in the comment section below. Now, once you have done all that and you're sure that Homebrew is installed, then let's get started with the installation of PostgreSQL. So we have to open terminal and run this command, brew install PostgreSQL. Okay, click on enter. And now we have to wait for terminal to do its work and install it successfully. Okay, so we just have to wait now. It's all waiting. This can take a while, so yeah. Okay, it's successfully installed. Now the second step is to start PostgreSQL service. So we have to start so it runs in the background, and this is how you do that. Just type in brew services start PostgreSQL, okay, and click on enter. Just wait for it, and then you can see the successful message, successfully started PostgreSQL. And then let's say you want to create your first database. Now, Homebrew usually creates a default database for your Mac username. So to enter PostgreSQL, we're just going to type in PSQL Postgres. Click on enter. And if you see something like this, as you can see, then that means it has successfully worked. And if you want to exit it, then what you can do is you can just type in the / and click on Q. Okay, you can exit with that, and now I've exited. And if you want to see that if it's still running, then you can just type in this command, brew services list. And as you can see, it is started, so that means PostgreSQL is running in the background. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that I helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.